guys, it's Anna and
Mummy!
And today we will be doing my Halloween makeup. That's why I'm wearing a Halloween decoration. Well,
Halloween decoration?
a Halloween
costume.
That's why it has blood at the side. What's fake? So let's get started.
Right, so I'm just doing a little circle in the middle of her head, just so I know exactly where to put the bullet wound. And then I'm just taking a sponge with liquid latex over it. Stop slagging me. And little bits of tissue. And then I'm going over with another layer of liquid latex. It's really hard to say.
What?
Liquid latex.
It's easy, liquid latex.
Yeah, it's easy, is it? Now I'm taking the hairdryer just to dry it a bit quicker. Right, I'm taking another.
Oh, that's cold.
Layer.
Cold, that's cold. No, the hairdryer is going on again.
Yep.
No.
Ha ha ha.
No ho ho. That was fun.
Right, now I'm taking a wee bit of tissue and just rolling it round to make the circle. And then I'm dipping it into the liquid latex. And taking more of that, just pressing that all in. So yeah, so we're just going around the whole face with the white face paint and then covering that tissue as well.
I look like a ghost.
Right, that's us done. Magical.
Imagine if I went to school like this.
Okay, so now I'm taking the Lash Beauty Palette in 350 and a small brush. Just going all around the eyes with a dark brown. Just bring that down around the nose too. I want everything to look sort of sunk in. Right, look up to the sky for me. No, open your eyes and look up without moving your head. Look up. No. Yeah, it's very hard doing makeup on kids.
I know. I just keep like it.
Right. Already looking scary. And then turn your head slightly sideways and just contour with that brown as well. Right, now I'm going to take tweezers and start picking at this, which might annoy Anna a bit. You're just going to want to start pulling it apart just until you can actually see like a wee opening. Right, taking that brush again and going in with reds and oranges, just filling that all around. Right, so just go in with the oranges and blacks and browns. Taking a bronzer, which is the Hoola bronzer. I'm just going to blend all that out. Right, and put your neck up. Now I'm going to just create little lines of this as if her neck was done in. Are you wanting red lips?
And guys, did you know this doesn't come off?
Does
Face
not.
paint does, but the lipstick doesn't.
I know, because we done that last year, didn't we? Oh. So I just put Vasaline and then a few drops of the blood in and mix it together.
Oh, that looks like blood. Guys, it looks like black, but it's actually red.
And then, yeah, just mix it.
Yep. See when you get stuff in it and then like mix it, it like turns red.
And that just means we can fill the bullet hole. Right, and now we're going to take some blood, aren't we?
On my lips, yeah.
Yep.
Oh yeah, we are. Oh yeah.
To get it to run down more. Yeah, so we've decided to put some around the lips to make it look scarier.
So, here is the neck. Here's the mouth. There's the chin. There's the wrist. And there's the head. There's the side of the eye. There's the head that looks real.
Let me take a picture of you.
Yeah, I'm seeing that. You actually did it like really good.
Thank you. Right, take sit down.
Alright.
Right. Bye everyone!
Bye guys!
Happy Halloween! It's Anna's birthday on Halloween.
Halloween night.
Screw